Hello beautiful, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new, because I've got a good many new subscribers, I welcome each of you and thank you from the bottom of my heart. We have a good group of people here. We don't have drama. It's just a wonderful community, and I am proud to have you, so welcome. I'm going to be doing a couple of unboxings, and yeah. So, shameless plug. If you like these glasses, I got them from Vision Marketplace, and I will leave the information down in the description. They have many frames, starting from less than $10 on up. But these match my lipstick today. I kind of like them. So, back to the unboxing. So, I have two unboxings of the Guzel box. So, I know it's a little late, but this is the February Guzel box. And these are sent to me for review. I told y'all that before. And if you've ever watched one, it does not sway my opinion. The girls there can tell you it does not sway my opinion. But I've already looked into the February box. If you follow me on Instagram, which is Velvet Celeste, you will see that I've already actually unboxed it. But I wanted to show it because I actually have a bigger audience here. So it just came with a little thing that said, it's got conversation hearts. It says Guzel box, February 2019. And the first thing I see are a pair of lashes. It says Indie Majestic Beauties. And here they are. They're just fluffy lashes. They got a fairly thick band, which a lot of people don't like, but I do. Thing is from Soap and Glory, and it is a foam body wash. It smells like grapefruit to me, but it says, oh, I wish we had smell-o-vision because it's wonderful. But I think it smells like grapefruit, and they say it smells like something else. I can't tell you today. I can't read it with or without. I have to have a new prescription, so I don't know. It smells like pink grapefruit, but it smells good. The next thing is it's called a mini, and I'm going to tell you, I wished I had bought the mini. This is the mini makeup eraser, and it's got unicorn. It's unicorn. So it calls it unicorn print. Mine that I have is probably twice this size. It's way too big. I don't use it as much because of that. But I think this one is the exact right size. The next things are Masquerade, and they are lip masks, and there's two of them. This box, I have forgotten the prices. The minute that I was going to tell you what the monthly price of this box was, it is gone. I will leave it down in the description. Okay, so this is from Derma E, and it's for scarring. And I think I may try this on my belly where I had stretch marks from my baby. I don't know. They've all turned gray now, so I don't know if it will work. But this stuff, I don't know if you can see it. It's clear, and it's like jelly. Sort of the consistency of the jelly highlighters. And smells medicine-y. But I'm going to try it. And my son has acne scars, and I'm going to try it on him too. The next thing, well, there's two more things. This is the one I think, of all the stuff, Soap and Glory would come in first. And this Crown eyebrow razor will come in second. That is what I do my brows with. And then I just sort of pluck the little ones out as they grow back in. But this is how I shape my brows right here. And I love it. And I have to do in between too. Because if I didn't, I'd have a unibrow. And the next thing is a small palette from BH Cosmetics. And the colors inside are beautiful. It's called the Afternoon Rendezvous. Now the shadows are tiny, but I haven't tried it yet because I wanted it to be fresh when I showed it to you. But I'm pretty sure I use small brushes anyway, so I know mine will fit in because I have hooded eyes. Hooded eyes. So I think this box was great this month. I love this one, and the next one coming up, I love even better. It's the March box. I just got it today. I didn't look all the way in it, but I had to cut it open, and it was busting open at the seams. I don't want to show you my address. But it's a Guzel. It's from Guzel. Has their sticker on it. And it's purple, which is my favorite color. Okay, so I like what they did this month. And I didn't read it. It's Guzel Beauty March box. Included in this month's box. And then they have everything listed. And so I'm going to... I don't think I'll need to read it. It doesn't give prices. And it just says find us on Facebook and Instagram and hashtag Guzel Beauty Box. And you can buy it at guzelbeautybox.com, or it might still be on Crate. I think it's on Cratejoy too. Okay, so the very top thing, I've wanted a pillow like this where you can... and then do this. Oh, I can have fun with this. I love it. It's a makeup bag. It's pretty big. I mean, you can put your brushes in here, I think. And it has a small little bag, right? A small pocket. And I don't know. And there's a small pocket, 2 small pockets on the side too. That's how big it is right there. I would put my brushes in there, I believe. Maybe a small eyeshadow palette, because I got some petites that I buy Viseart that I love. But anyway, moving on. This is gorgeous. It is the Cosmic Collection from Crown Brushes. Crown Brush, I think is how they say it. Or I think so. Let me read this and see, because I think that says Crown. Yeah, Crown Brush Cosmetics. I'm going to open it this way. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Look at the front of this. How beautiful is that? You can see my ring light. But it's just crystals all over. Then you open it up. Let's see what it looks like on the inside. I would think it would be, it's called Cosmic, but I think it would be bright colors, but I don't know. There we go. Oh, so it has a small mirror. Here. These are the colors. How beautiful are those? Oh, and you can't see how vibrant they are. Maybe I'm too close. Oh, I got hair in my mouth. I'm sorry. Yeah, look at there. I love it. And I have been wanting to try some green. I'm not going to swatch on my arm. Or maybe I will. I don't know. But I'm going to do some finger swatches. I always do purple, so let's do another green. These are the colors. This yellow is a matte. The rest of them are shimmers. It doesn't look like there's that many. There's some satins in here, but there's not that many mattes. I've got hair in my mouth. I'm so sorry. But there we go. How gorgeous is that? So the next thing is, looks like a bath bomb. It is a fizz and bubble rainbow sherbet from Artesian Bath Fizzies. It smells like fruit salad. It smells good. The thing is I'm not going to be able to use it because I don't have a bathtub. All I have is a shower. But I wonder if I could break it apart and use it as a bath fizzy. I don't know. I might try that. Okay, so that's 3 items. Okay, let's see. Right here is a brush from BH Cosmetics, and I can tell from the picture in the front it's going to be, I think, just my size. Oh, it's a little bigger than I thought. But there it is. And it says BH Cosmetics in gold right there. I got my ring light on, so you're probably not going to be able to read it. But right there. Right there. Oh, it's very soft. It is very soft. I may use this as a blending brush because it's a little too big for my eyes for a packer brush. Shader brush, whatever they call it. Okay, so the next 2 things. Oh, there's one more thing. Okay, so then there are 2 under eye gels from South Main. I've used these before and like them. Oh, it smells like chocolate frosting. And I like the flat paddle brush like that. I love it. And let's see what the color is. I'll do it on the back of my hand because my lips don't really have color. So, oh yeah, I will like that. And I love lip gloss. Like this is a dry lip, you know, a liquid lipstick. And then on top of it, I put Soap and Glory's Lip Plumper XXL. That's what I'm calling it. You know, it says something different on the box. But that's it. So in this one, we got the Lippy, 2 under eye gels, a makeup brush, a huge, beautiful palette. This is the plastic I got to put back over it because I'm cheeky like that. And a makeup bag. I think this box was great. I really do. And I am proud for them. This is probably, I didn't hear about them until last May. So I think maybe February was maybe a year that they've been doing. And they are definitely stepping up their game and getting better. And they are from my home state. So I root for them genuinely. And I like it. I liked everything. And I'm glad I got some lashes. And I'm glad I got the brow razor. Because the ones I got now are too little. I got them little bitty ones that you can get like $3 for $1. So I'm glad to get a good one. And so that is my unboxings. And if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up if you liked me. Sometimes this is my background, sometimes it's not. If you like me, please subscribe. I'm at 1,000 subscribers. if I stay there, I'm going to have a giveaway. And what I want to give away is the Rebel Rose PR kit. So I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye. It